number one. Trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post joke, man a pushing at the traffic. Yes, people, so Jacky respond to this video of him that's going around the internet where he's arguing with a female, and he might explain theme side of the story, and he might says a long time video. He might say the video is about 7 years old. So I'm going to make him talk, right? I'm make him do the talking, and then we'll discuss it a little bit. So here goes. Take a listen to what Jacky Ruff is saying about the video.
7 years ago, almost to be exact, this happened. A friend of mine sent this video to me years ago and tell me that to be careful, and I explained to him what happened. These girls that came here, how I met them the first time is that one of them got beat up by some dancers, some street dancer guy who said that she mixed him up with his wife and he beat her so bad. They reached out to me as a friend that I know a long time, and I put them up, show them love, they flow out. If I never show them love, they wouldn't ask me to come back here. And I show them love on a brotherly terms. But they know people in Jamaica. They've been coming to Jamaica like 4 or 5 times. Remember, she was talking to a dancer, and then they know artists. So in that time of grief when they were hurt about the situation, I'm sure they send the video to maybe a couple or few or maybe one Jamaican friend, who knows. But it was there all this time. But it just leaves me to figure that it seems like now it, fall into one of the hands of someone that would really like to terminate you, in every way they can. Them social media warfare that them set up out there for fight. These are them little trick where them pull. Yeah, because everyone have them private life, and you don't know. You and someone in an argument, and someone a video you without you knowledge is a form of setup and a blackmail. You feel me? Yeah, because I was always good to them. That was the only bad moment me and them share from the time they were here in Jamaica. I show them so much love and take care of them. It's just because I've realized things missing on my house, valuable items, and some cash. And I asked about it, and it caused some vibes, and we just start talking about all of different things. So I said, yeah, I'm grateful. Just give me back my ticket. You know what I mean? Yeah, plus I'm not fucking even either of them either. I know it's wrong to talk to them the way I was talking to them, and I definitely apologize for that in myself. But deeply, they know I didn't mean anything because I didn't touch them.
Yeah, people, so now what I say the video is old, and furthermore, he knew about the video because somebody sent it to him and asked him about it, and he must say, you know what I mean, he explained to them basically what he explained to us, say the video is old. But he must say now it seems like somebody have a personal vendetta against him, or, you know what I mean, somebody just wants to see him falling at these times, make them dig up back the video and release it. So, based on what him say, one thing, get in the comment section and tell me. Now, me did I watch Jacky Ruff on Fame page like day before yesterday, and it's just so ironic because he might talk about women, he might talk about females, and I say him do music for the females, him dress for the females, and him know say people criticize him as a rasta and him dressing and the things them like, but he might explain all that, and I say why him think him deserve to enjoy life and enjoy the things them. So I have that video there for now, so take a look at it. Here goes.
And me even not gonna ask you if you like the song, cause you know me love woman. And me get this straight. Remember, say me represent fashion, love, and music. And me don't want to hear nothing else. Whenever I do a lifestyle, it's so everybody see how we live. I want to get the picture by now. So Jacky Ruff, we love nice things, cause we were kings from Africa. So watch you know, all nice things belong to us. So we just claim back some of it. Nobody never get jealous and get bad mind, cause we just suffer a whole heap of years. I suffered many years amongst cockroaches and a thing named chink. Chink are one of the worst things in our life. And you have to go to jail for know about chink. So me know the worst life. It's time now for me to know the best life. Fair enough? Yeah, we've been through the worst. So now I know it's time for we to taste the glory of the work. Nobody never get jealous if them see Jacky Ruff wear 2 shoes, drive a Benz. I mean, Bob Marley did a boy a Beamer, him did a drive. If Bob Marley was alive, I probably had 4 G-Wagon in him garage right now. Me, I'm telling you this. In the Rasta want to fake out them life and go on like them a deal with Rasta competition for be the most holy Rasta man. I'm not on that. I take a drink sometimes. I take a smoke, I put on a little one tot on my body, I put on a one. Me live for women. Me live for the ladies, because them me sing from my biggest. Up to now, I ASCAP check them, I come. Me check them. Me look on the song, them pay me. And the songs them I sing for the ladies, them pay me the most. Anybody who do business, you must check your business and check if you have a business. Check the items that in your business that sell the most and support that item so that item could keep supporting you. So me can't stop singing love song. Me not stop singing roots and culture, but me leave that to chronics them for go and bask in that. And I will drop songs into the fields for serve time and place, depends on the situation. But right now, my thing is for the ladies. Me dress for the ladies and me live for them. So please, do not get it twisted. A Jacky is about fashion, love, and music.
Yeah, so that video was from a live that he did day before yesterday, and then this morning now we see that video here drop online where him and the female argue. So, you know, I just want to say in the first part him did apologize though. I don't know if that make it right, but when you tell me what you think, he did apologize and say him sorry for the way him conduct himself and was that I know him talk to them, but you know him was very upset at the time. And him also mentioned and I say everybody have them private life, so he must say more than likely, you know what I mean, maybe me and you and somebody else, you know, things like this happen. It just not hit the public because we're not a public figure like him. It just not go have no impact on we like him, you know what I mean? Nobody now go take it and post it or share it or nothing like that. And that kind of makes sense. Now people, you know, I mean, you can't really take no side with nobody in the store. I just have to present it like I'm find it. So, you know, it's the females, the video where them release versus Jacky Ruff, because we don't hear nothing from the females yet. We don't hear them come and say what really happened. You know, what did cross my mind when I wonder like when it did happen. Me not lie, when I see the video come I say, you know what I mean, that much traveling now going right now. So if them travel, if you come stay with him, you know what I mean, when that actually happened. So when you get into the comment section, tell me what you think about what Jacky Ruff said. If you don't see the first video, it's posted before this one, so you have to go watch that, right? So other than that now people, that's where I'm gonna leave it. You know, big up on yourself. Thank you for watching. If it's your first time on this channel and you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. If you just subscribe, welcome to the Dancehall IG family. To all my long-time subscribers, thank you for being here. Keep on liking, sharing and commenting. Everybody wanna big up on yourself, you know what I mean. Have a wonderful day or night or whatever time it is, wherever you are. Stay safe out there. Do the right thing. I'm out.
We got Diamond in my AP. Dancehall IG. Atina. Excuse me. Dancehall IG. Rich. Punk. Should know. Tento Blacks. Yeah, they.